Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Carrie. I'm a makeup enthusiast, not a guru, just like makeup. And today I have for you an unboxing. My BoxyCharm came in and I thought I'd share with you guys what I got. If you don't know, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription box. It's $21 a month and you get 4 to 5 full-size products, which is great. And I have to say, this and FabFitFun are my two boxes. Those are my holy grail boxes. I've tried others. I've tried Birchbox, Ipsy, Sephora Play, Blessbox, and out of everything, this one I keep, and the FabFitFun I keep, and the rest of them I've gotten rid of. So without further ado, let's get into this. Now first we have our box here. You open it up, and there's a card inside that tells you all the stuff that you got. The theme is Make Waves, and on the back it tells you all the goodies that you got and their price, what they retail for. And first thing I see is this brightly colored Glam Glow Gentle Daily Conditioning Cleanser. I'm kind of pumped about this. Now this goes for $28. It is a gentle but make it bubbly. This daily conditioning gel cleanser gently but effectively cleans skin and dissolves makeup. We all need that. Oat amino acids condition, while the vegan formula with apple extract, vitamin E, and green tea extract bubbles up to deep clean and remove impurities. Soap, fragrance, and SLS, SLES free, all skin types approved. Let's see. Did it have a seal? I don't think so. Doesn't really have a cinch, so yay, that's good. Oh, it says, I just said it was fragrance free, and I'm like trying to smell it. Okay, so yes, once again, that's $28, so that's the cost of your box and then some, and it's a great product. Next up, we have Ciate London Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow. It comes in a box like so. I have the shade, I don't know, but it's metallic eyeshadow. This retails for $22. Ooh, wow, look at that. Shiny. Can you guys see what that looks like? I'll swatch it on the back of my hand for you. Shiny. Very nice. Be anxious to try this. Again, that retails for $22. It says your new Ciate London's Eye Luster will help you create long-lasting, shimmering eyeshadow looks. The metallic glittering liquid shadow can be swiped on for full coverage luster, blended out for sheer sparkle, or applied over any eyeshadow as a topper. So that's awesome. Ooh, next item, the Pure Pro Eyelash Curler. Look at this, it's like iridescent. Ooh. Yes, I like it. It retails for $18. You're about to take your lashes to new lengths, literally prep lashes for a coat of your favorite mascara with your new Pure Eyelash Curler. Instantly perk up each individual lash for a look you will love. Awesome. Next up, we have a Luna by Luna lip gloss in the shade Venus. Let's check this out. Now this retails for $18. Oh, pretty. It's a pretty peachy shade. Let's swatch it and see what we got here. There we go. Smells a bit like cookies. Pretty color. Definitely will get some use out of this. I love this shade. It's just so pretty. And last but not least, and the thing I am most excited for, is the Alamar Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio. Now this retails for $22 and it is sealed. Let me wrestle this off. Ah, come on, off. There we go. Oh, so pretty. Look at this, guys. Those are gorgeous. You've got the shades Candela, Candela, Oasis, and Deserted. Get your blush on with your new Alamar Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio, formulated to glide effortlessly over your cheeks. This buttery smooth, highly pigmented, and completely vegan formula delivers a sun-kissed blush without the damage of the rays. So let's take a couple swatches of this. Ooh, first one. Second. Third. Those are beautiful shades. I really like it. I'm so excited about this palette. I can't tell you how excited I am. I'm so glad we got it in this box. I love Alamar Cosmetics. They have very pigmented, smooth formulas. I love it. Awesome. Well, that concludes the video for the day. Thank you for hanging out with me and looking in my BoxyCharm with me. And I hope to see y'all again soon. Leave a comment down below if you get BoxyCharm of what your favorite item was. Mine's definitely this, followed by the eyelash curler. I'm kind of excited about the eyelash curler. I don't like the one that I have right now. All right, everybody, be sure to click the thumbs up on the video and subscribe if you haven't already. That would sure help me out. And I will see you all again soon. Bye-bye.